A lot of beginners also have questions about where to hit the note. You see these dimples on these notes. They're the indentations in the center of the notes. This large note in the center, the ding note, has an opposite curve. It's outward rather than inward. The ding note here. And this one's easy to figure out. You just play on that ding note, and you can right on top of that large dimple, and it produces a nice warm tone. You can use any of your fingers, including your thumbs. You might end up with a preference of the one that you like the best. You might play with all of them. So the ding note's easy. The other notes, which are sometimes called tone fields, many people call them tone fields, it's where the sound is coming out of each of these notes or tone fields. That's where the sound comes from. You can play it with, again, any of your fingers. I prefer my index finger. A lot of people prefer their middle finger. You can play it also with your thumbs. The positioning of that, I like to play right in the center. Some of these notes down at the bottom can be difficult because your hands start to get twisted. If you really feel it necessary, you can lift the drum and angle it, either in your lap or on a stand. And it makes it a little bit easier to play those so your hands aren't twisted as much. You can also use your thumbs and fingers in combination to play the notes. You can play A, B flat with your thumbs, C and D with your index fingers, or with your middle fingers. You can play with thumbs, you can play with pinkies. So you'll find out which one works best for you. A lot of serious players suggest that you practice with all of your fingers to get the dexterity with all of your fingers and get a lot of good practice like that.